Alright, so I'm going to drop the Corvette off for an unseen amount of time until they figure out what's wrong with it. It might just be a day, might be two, there might be nothing wrong with it. Maybe it's just the first shift that's rough with it. Sorry about that. So anyways, my dad's right behind me in the Camry, and he's gonna give me a ride back. And
to merge onto I-5 South toward Portland.
And so hopefully it'll just be quick and simple, and yeah, so I'm just heading out, and that's about all I can say about that. So there was this car between me and my dad, and my dad just went past this car in a double yellow, single lane, freaking badass. Let me tell you what, boys. Woo! What a beast. He don't even need no headlights. We don't care. We do it for Dale. Do it for Dale. I swear this looks really familiar. Seems like I was just here on Thursday or something. In case you thought I was lying, that is the Mexican bridge right there. So I always come over here to do racing in Mexico, and then I go back across the bridge to Washington. Back here again, and the reflection looks freaking disgustingly amazing. I'm gonna grab my phone. I took everything out of the car except for like the registration or whatever, and oil change receipt or whatever. So that looks like about it. Yeah, nothing behind the screen that is broken. Took everything out of the trunk. I'm gonna throw a towel over the seat, grab the garage door opener real quick, and call it a day. Alright, so I'm back home, and the Corvette is gone. So, RIP. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you in the next one. Peace. One last thing. Rusty, if you're still subscribed, I highly doubt it. If you're still subscribed, I'm sending your package back tomorrow. So, if you're wondering, the package is going back out on Tuesday. And that is because someone's name isn't Rusty Zipper. Exposed.